This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming that accelerators are enabled in your Kaggle account. Open a new notebook and immediately pick the Accelerator menu to choose GPU or TPU depending on your workload. Once done, select a matching machine type and save the session settings so the runtime restarts with hardware active. Make sure to attach any dataset you need now, because once the runtime is live, you want data mounted and ready for fast iteration. Next, configure the environment so your code actually uses the accelerator. Install required packages using %pip in notebook cells and restart the kernel if necessary. This avoids mismatch errors. Then set the device explicitly in your code, for example, torch. Device, CUDA for PyTorch or use JAX. Devices for TPU. After that, verify CUDA, cuDNN, and framework versions to ensure compatibility, because mismatched libraries are the most common source of silent failures during training. Finally, run your job with a conservative batch size to confirm everything works, then scale up once stable. Monitor resource usage from the Kaggle panel and check logs for errors or thermal throttling. Save checkpoints frequently to avoid losing progress. Use background saves to your dataset or to external storage. If things go wrong, most often you can recover by reducing batch size or enabling gradient accumulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.